The morning sun slipped softly through the trees as Poppy the panda pup and his little brother Milo walked side by side into the forest. Poppy moved slowly, noticing every sound. Milo bounced along happily, always ready for adventure. They were different, but that's what made them such good siblings. Today, the woods felt unusually quiet. Then, a soft sound drifted through the air. Not a roar, not a shout, just a whisper. Poppy stopped and tilted his head. He listened carefully. Milo looked around, his ears perking up. Behind them, Papa Panda Pup walked calmly, his step steady and sure. Sometimes, he said, the forest whispers when someone needs help. Mommy Panda Pup smiled and knelt beside the two siblings. She reminded them that listening is just as important as being brave. Together, Poppy and Milo followed the sound deeper into the woods. The whisper led them to a tall tree swaying in the wind. High above, tiny baby owls huddled together, shivering. Baby owls weren't trying to scare anyone. They were calling for help. The wind blew stronger. Milo stood tall, protecting the tree with his little body. Poppy gently gathered soft leaves to block the cold air. Papa Panda Pup watched proudly. Mommy Panda Pup stayed close, offering comfort and care. Soon, the wind softened. The whispers faded. And with a quiet swoop, the mother owl returned, wrapping her wings around her babies. As the family walked home, Poppy smiled at his brother. Milo smiling and thinking the whispers weren't scary at all. Milo was proud to stand by his brother's side. Papa Panda Pup said, listening is a kind of bravery. Mommy Panda Pup teaches that kindness makes the loudest difference. Poppy and Milo together saying goodbye to whispering woods, they walk home as the forest hums peacefully.